internal memory, open box and look completion. In completion we have protected back cover documentary of this device in the blue color, adapter for charging, super lock, and Type-C cable. Turn on display, open settings, about phone we have Dimensity 7050, this CPU, 8GB RAM memory, Android 13 and ColorOS 13.1. In Antutu benchmark we have good results. Close this. Results Geekbench 6, CPU test results, GPU test results. Close this. GTA San Andreas works on the device. Look this. Doesn't work. PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level, GTA San Andreas doesn't work. All games work on max graphic level without problems. Look camera, photo, video, and another mode. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.